Gotta admit, I'm pretty excited today. Today I am testing out this brand new gizmo. This is the DJI Osmo Creator 3, something like that. That is a big fancy name for a relatively expensive camera that should replace all the other crap that I was trying to bolt together. We'll see. Here comes the crew. They don't care about camera crap. They say they would run over this camera just as well as they would run over any other camera. So I need to be careful about that. Oh, you know what? Here they come. Let's do hay first. Yeah, I'm gonna go get you a bale of hay first. I'm gonna soothe the savage beast first. We'll see how it does with light changes. It's also supposed to be a really good low light camera. So I guess that would mean that, in theory, I should be able to see things, well, not in the dark, but in lower light, right? Okay. So far, so good. Hello, chicken. Yeah, hi. Hi, Cece. I hear you. little hard to miss you there, Cece. You see? Is this going to fall over this way? I think it stops that way. Oh, it has a stop. I have to remember to always put the stopping point facing the direction that I don't think I'm going to go. How's that? How's that for a strategy? Learning all at once. Okay. Also, just for my own safety, keep crap out of the way. So now let's come over here. I don't know if we can see you rotisserie chicken. There she is. I won't play with you now until I collect. Oh, hay is dwindling. Another bale bites the dust. Oy, oy, oy. Oh, it lost me, huh? So when I looked away, did it say, I've lost my face? What if I come back here? You find me? Womp womp. It'll be interesting to see on the playback what that does. Okay. Thanks for your patience while I'm playing with toys. Let's go play with some animals. You know, really bad idea to leave the gate open and then open the barn door. I have to tell on myself a little bit this morning during the morning chores. I kind of screwed things up. I left the gate open. I was so wanting to run back into the house for a meeting, and I forgot this gate was open. That was not good. I came out to find all the goats and sheep over in the chicken area. So they had a lot of chicken food this morning. All right, let me put this up here so I can set this maybe over here. And now let me see if I can actually come in here and get this loose. All right, everybody, stay back. My knife's out. Okay, we're safe. This wad's gonna come over here. You ready? Oh, it's got the bale twine on it. This one, and where'd the other one go? I thought I had both of them. I think it's still over here. Kristoff. Nobody expects, and now I can't make it look away from me. Kristoff, that was really uncalled for, buddy. Okay. I did not expect him to come in here and knock over the camera. So, with that in mind, I think I have to say, pay attention to me again. And let's go ahead and just bring it with me here. I know, everybody. How we doing? Come on, family. Yes, I know. You guys want the hay. There we go. I'm not thinking that was a really tremendous inaugural round, because now I'm missing a glove. All right. Where'd my glove go? Don't know. It must be out with the other goats. I mean, there can really only be one answer. So, we'll go take a look. Hello down there, roosters. You guys are hiding in here? Okay. What am I observing here? Now I've got the magical follow me thing turned off for a moment as I'm just wandering through the barn, taking a look at things. It allows me to point it at something else more interesting. What are you two doing in here? You waiting for me to do something stupid? It's actually probably fair, but get back. Get back. Stupid thing I've done so far is to drop my glove. Now, where is it? Is it around here? Huh, well, I hear Kevin somewhere. Where's Kevin? Let's go find Kevin. And I'm sure my glove will turn up. They always seem to have a way of turning up. All the missing things eventually seem to find their way home. I do have one more thought on my glove. As long as I'm here. Let me see if I can find it. My thought is, I probably shoved it right here. Into where I put the hay. Did I do that? Did I shove it in under here somewhere somehow? No, I don't see that. Okay, giving up on that. We are off to our next adventure in our egg collector routine. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Now that is a big old bug. And moving pretty quick. There's always a million weird little things all around the ranch. Okay, now it says it's looking at me again, so we'll see if it is. Not that I'm that beautiful. Hopefully it just gives a few interesting things to look at in the background as we go. Like this large goat who's positioning himself right in front of me, Hercules. You used to be a small goat, Hercules. You became a large goat. Yes, you did. Oh, you're running down here, Rosie, with a big mouthful of hay? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah. What'd you guys do with the turkey? Turkey is right there. Hello, Kevin. Oh no, you're so sweet. You're such a troublemaker. Get off the fence, buddy. Thank you. All right. You're right back up there, aren't you? Yeah, I know all too well how that goat works. Okay. Well, here we go. Come here, Kevin. Let's start with you, Kev. And my chicken friends, huh? Oh my. Boy, she's got an enthusiastic grab. Are we doing that again? Okay, I'll do it one more time. You're fine. Okay, are we done? I think we're done. I think we both agree we're done for the day. And I have more customers back here. At least you're here on the chicken side. Can I pet you today? Can I pet you today? Not today, huh? Okay, is there anything else I need to do? Any other, anything else with a scratch? I can't remember. There might be, is there like maybe one goat who wants their little bite of scratch? Oh! Oh, why yes. If it's not a chicken, it's a goat. Miles, Kevin, you guys are one of a kind. Or gals. Or guy. Or whatever. All right. That is it, though. These buckets are going to stay here. At least some of them are. You're not seeing me yawn. See? Yeah, I hid that really well, didn't I? This one's a little wet. Let that dry out. That could be ducked on the way back. That ought to hold it. And that gives me a couple of buckets for out here. I may have to go through and edit out the moments where I'm just doing a stupid little stare at the camera here. I will try and get them all. If I forget one or two, I apologize. Right, Kevin? I wonder if that'll do it. If I hold the tripod that way. More upward as I'm walking down. The camera will want to bend down and look at me, and maybe that'll pick up more stuff on the ground. Oh, that's right, I forgot. I left the goats and sheep back here into Chicken Manor today. I guess they're not so in dire need of coming in and eating in here, but now I got another chicken locked in here. She won't figure it out. She's a big one. I don't think she flies a lot. Let's see if I can chase her out. Okay, here we go. No goats are following me here. So on its follow, I have to do it, I think, that way. Okay. I'm going to sneak around and see if I can chase the chicken out from this side. Go on, darling. Go on. I'm going to herd you towards that gate. There you go. You should see freedom there. All right, yay. Success. Whew. Well, it looks like it's still working a little bit. What do you think, girls? As long as I'm working, you'll be happy, right? As long as your food and scratch shows up, I feel like that's the big bit of the criteria that really matters. Ugh. Okay, that should be pretty good. Let's come back and start over here. Chick, 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 chick. All right, I have a thought. And that's dangerous. Before I start the egg collect, I'll do one little thing. So I'm going to take a break here and go get one fun thing and see how that goes. So stand by. On the new toy, I'm going to let that kind of be here. What that's going to do is that's going to come around and follow me as I come here. Now my idea that I had while I was in there, I did all the scratch for everybody, and I had the idea that I've got the GoPro, so why don't I still go ahead and put the GoPro on my hat. I'll do that as long as there's no Teletubby jokes. Anyway, I'll put that on my hat because I'm still learning to use this new tool, and you know, I can adjust settings and fiddle with it, but that's not an interesting video for you. So I'll put this on there, and then I'll just overlay, this video on top of that one, and then put the two of them together, and we'll see what it looks like to see. All right. So what I need to do is turn this one on. Okay, it's firing up. It says it's happy, and it's recording. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to synchronize in the old-fashioned way. We're going to clap. 1, 2, 3. There. Now if I actually did this right, you should have 2 video streams, and like at the moment you have double me. But we're going to fix that, and you can now, for the very first time ever, really see GoPro Man. This is how ridiculous I have looked the entire time. Thank you. My work here is done. All right, they've got scratch, and now it is time to do the eggs. So the plan and the thinking here, right? It's on the follow me mode. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring it right here. I'll leave you there for the moment. I'll just come around here. Let's see what we've got here. How many do you think? We've gotten 5 like 2 days in a row, so I'm going with 5. No, 4. But I guess if I'm doing this video right, you just saw that. They seem drier today. It seems like less goop, so that's a good thing. That is the one thing about Colorado, is after a rainy day, we do dry out quickly. Yes, we do. All right. I think if I disappear for a while, it wonders what happened. That's all right. We'll just kind of let it hang out there for a minute. Oh, they spilled their stuff. Get over there. And right in here. Ooh, that is disgusting, but gives us 5. And lovely. Okay. How much technology do I need in a barnyard? At least I'm amusing myself. Nerd alert, nerd alert. I think the first thing I have to remember to do is not immediately go out of sight when I set that tracking, because that's just kind of stupid. All right. We're going to make the tripod a little shorter for this experience. And we'll head on in to Chicken Manor itself, where the eggs are. Wow, that's loud. Okay. Okay, maybe that's going to be all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, a little gross. 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15. Okay. Really? $16. 17, 18. Those aren't bad. 19, 20, 21. $22, $23, $24. Okay. 25, 26. That's not bad. Did it? That's 26. 27, 28, 29. 30. 31, 32. 33, 34. What you got in here, sweetie? 35, 36. And that one back there is 37. All right, 37. My ear loud. Oh. All right, let's see what we've got back here. $38, $39, $40, $41, $42. $42. Okay. May as well let the camera continue to roll, huh? 42. 42. Okay, ladies. Thank you for the 42. That was nice. Like some of this is going to be having to kind of just remember which way to turn and how to make it so I don't go invisible. That is, if I'm doing the follow me thing. So I kind of like the smooth motion of the camera too. But, oh, we'll have fun playing. We are headed for winter months. I should have ample time to figure out all the settings and everything I'm doing then, huh? Hey, Gwenny Gwen. Yeah, let's try not to dodge in here now. That one's kind of closed for the day. How you doing, sweetheart? Come here. Come here. You want to say hi? No? You just want to try and knock over my camera? You're just like the rest of those goats. Here comes Kevin. Well, hi, Kevin. Can I pet you? Come here. Someday. Will you let me pet you someday? Please? Okay, I won't force it. When you're ready. But you can come collect eggs with me if you'd like. My little shadow. Okay, maybe not so little. Looks like some of my 2x4s got knocked around by the goats. I'll have to take a closer look at some of that. Now I have just one glove, because I have not come across my other glove. Well, let's take a look for any corner eggs over here. Have I seen 2 duck eggs? I might have seen 2 duck eggs today. All right, you know what I think I should do? Just to make the GoPro video better. It will benefit from ye old chicken headlights. And again, no making fun of me. Here we go. Boom. Okay. Well, that helps GoPro a lot. I don't know how stupid I look on the other one, but if not looking stupid was my goal, I don't think I'd have started in the first place. I think I'm intentionally trying for it. Duck egg. Duck egg. Somewhat buried in the back. Come here, my little duck egg. Broken duck egg. That's too bad. Ow, that hurt. Well, all right, you weasels. So we'll leave our broken duck egg right there. And we've got freebies to start our count. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. And, ooh, look at this. 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. A dozen to start. Dozen out of the chute. Huh? Bullet head, is that you? No, Calloway. Calloway, you're back. 12, 13, and you got an egg. Look at you. Nice to see you back, Calloway. There we go. Let's get a good look at Calloway. Hi, sweetie. And the twins, but it's not the twins, because you lost your white chicken twin, half, and you're on top of Scissor back there. So let's see what you're hiding, if anything. This would probably be easier without you, Twinny. Half twin. All right, 1, 2. All right, leave those there. Two. All that effort for 2. Now I forgot what number I was at. I think that was 12, so it's 13, 14. I may have had one from Calloway. 14. Oh, and down here, bullet head. 14, 15, 16. Your usual sweet self. I see. 17. Thank you. You're new. 18, that's gross. All right, 18 and a duck. 18 and a broken duck. Not impressed. This should be exciting. Hello. Recovered, huh? I believe it was 18. Let's see if it'll follow me over here. Oh my. I see anything down here on the floor. Nothing in the barrel. I hate to think it's just 18. Hey, Kev. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Would Kevin be right outside the door? Literally? Come on, Kev. Come on. Did you jump over? Let's come back in here. Come here, turkey, turkey, turkey. Yeah, that's a good girl. You stay in here. Do not jump out. Stay in there. What do I have to throw to you that will get you to stay in there? Maybe I'll just go this way and it'll distract you. We'll see. So I was at 18, right? Right, sweetie? What you hiding under here? You got any under here? 18. Ow. Ow. 19, 20. 21. Is that it? Is that it? Thank you. Are those love taps? Those are so nice. Yeah. We're at 21. Did I get some earlier? Ooh, I don't think so. That's horrible. 2 duck. Wow. 21, 3 duck. 42. All right, let's record that. Hey, 21, 3 duck. 3 duck. And 1 is broken. 3 duck. Did I say 21? I'm going to have to listen back to the video. Okay, that's sad. Broken chicken. Did I even see any? I don't think so. Broken duck, we've got 1. There just weren't a lot of chicken. They want sunshine. Okay, well, as weird as it was, that was the first collect with this. We'll see how the edit turns out. Hopefully I can get a lot better, a lot faster. But regardless, thanks for coming along for a little egg collection chore and hanging out, spend a little time with me and craziness here at Capella Ranch. Thanks.